Welcome to Hanoi. Welcome to the airport. And this is your arrival guide if you want to come to Hanoi in 2026. This is the international arrival area, and I just cleared immigration. And immigration was not that busy, to be honest, but I still had a fast track. And I always recommend having a fast track, at least for the big two airports, Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. On the right hand side, you see the immigration area on top. I obviously cannot film there. Also, this is my first time I'm doing a voiceover because I messed up my audio, but I think it's still very important for you to see this video and the whole entrance. So, as you can see here, it's not that big, and those are the luggage bands. Then you clear customs here, very simple, not many people here. And then you get greeted by a lot of drivers and probably people who pick up their families, because this was filmed 2 days before Lunar New Year, Vietnamese New Year's celebrations, Tet. And yeah, as you can see, a lot of people coming back, Vietnamese overseas coming back to see their family, and not that many tourists, to be honest, as normal. This is an international airport here, and now we're seeing the first SIM card store, Viettel. I also have Viettel, but the prices here are a little bit more than usual. They also do money exchange, so we got some prices over here. I think I saw it around $10 or something for a SIM card, which is not bad. So 200,000 is like $7 for 7 days. Yeah, around $12 or something. It's pretty much all the time in the airport. I would always go for eSIM to have the hassle not. And if you stay a little bit longer, I would just go to the official Viettel store. The SIM card costs $2, and then a package starts with $3 or something. I think 90,000 my wife is paying for her 2 gigabytes a day for a month. So it's very affordable. But it only makes sense if you stay longer. If you're just here for vacation, take a eSIM or something. This is exchanging money here. So there's a new law that you cannot exchange at unofficial stores anymore. So I'm not sure how much those gold stores in the city are still exchanging money. We will see. Also, I haven't been back in Da Nang yet since they implemented the law. I was gone for 1 month, so I have no idea. We will find out if my wood guy in Da Nang is still there. Now we're just walking further here. There's another Viettel store. Yeah, you can take it. It will probably work for some weeks. Every time I bought something at the airport, it never lasted the whole month. Sometimes it just stops 2-3 weeks in, which was fine with me. I usually have my Viettel card from the store anyways, or get a eSIM. But I also have some links for that, all in the description below. These are two ATMs here, 3 ATMs. They all charge fees. At the first thing you see, okay, the fees are way more affordable than in Thailand, but you cannot get as much money out as in Thailand. So at the end, it's almost the same, with around $3-4 fees per 2-3 million. Depends. Some of them can also pull out 5 million. So we just exited here. Those is already the area where the driver will wait for you, and lots of Grab driver will also approach you here. So just be aware of that and just say no, thank you. I also booked my trip, everything with Trip.com this time, because of my status. Look at this guy. He's holding a sign with Grab, but he's not your Grab driver. He just wants you to use him without Grab, which is understandable because Grab is taking, I think, 30% or something. So I totally understand those guys who just want to drive and get the full fare. Even though they don't want to, some of them, of course, want to overcharge you. Oh, at least we'll try. But the majority of those people are honest people. But taxi drivers everywhere in the world. If a taxi driver talks to you at the airport everywhere in the world, he tries to get the most money out of you as possible. But what I saw here with my German eyes, a bus. Number one priority for German tourists are buses. I don't know why, but I always get asked that. Is there public transport from the airport to the city? And there is. And actually, this one actually makes sense. So if you're in Da Nang, Vietnam, it does not make sense to take a bus because you're paying $3 to go to your hotel, and the bus route is terrible. It's not really working. Here, this bus. So I went there and asked for the price and also where he's driving. And which was very interesting was it cost only 45,000 dong, so I don't know, $1.60 or something, $1.60, and it's driving you 30 or 40 minutes all the way to the Hoan Kim Lake, where usually also your hotel will be, in the old quarters. So for me, for example, if I would have taken this bus, I could have easily walked to my hotel, because as you saw on my previous walks, it's very easy to walk around the Hoan Kim Lake area, and if your hotel is there, if the bus stops at the lake, I can walk. I can walk to the hotel. Very simple. But I choose to take a transfer, like always. As you can see here, you can also smoke here. There are some ashtrays. Yeah. So I texted my driver with WhatsApp, and he arrived here, right in front of me here. So it was very simple. If I hypothetically from the airplane I went out with my fast track and my driver, I could have been sitting in the car in 5 to 7 minutes. And 5 to 7 minutes is only the walking distance from the airplane because it was so far away. I think it was maybe just because of Air Asia. I took Air Asia flight. There's another money exchange place. They actually had a better rate than the ones inside, but still I'm not sure if it's the best thing here. Look at the prices. So $1 is around 26,000, sometimes 25,000, depends on the day. But yeah, get some cash out, maybe change a $50 note or $100 bill. I think that's fine. And then just go to the ATM, get cash out. Go to VP Bank, V and P, okay? VP Bank, they can get 20 million without fees, at least it's for now. Yeah, that's it. So it's not that big here, it's very easy to get around. It looks very modern also. I think they renovated it also, but it's very simple to get around here in Hanoi as well. And this is one of the busiest time to arrive, to be honest. So thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.